किसी के लिए सीट नहीं छोड़ी, सिर्फ मेरे लिए सीट छोड़ी है.
मुझे पता है ये सीट छोड़ने में कोई खतरा नहीं है.
But it's not easy to interview you. So I'm not sure if I'm the perfect person to actually to interview the perfectionist. But I'm still going to give it a shot.
Well, judging by the controversies my interviews create, you should do fine.
I think if you touch anything, it turns into gold. But what does success mean to Mr. Amir Khan?
I'm not quite sure of that because I've not really thought about success when I'm doing work, when I'm doing my films, or when I'm doing the television show, whatever I'm doing. I'm not really thinking of success as such, the way that success is usually understood. Hi, Neeta. So I don't really view success in that sense. I mean, I'm more into the excitement of the work that I'm doing. I guess if I really put my mind to it, then success for me would mean that what I'm taking up as a job or as something that I'm passionate about, does it make me happy? Is it something that stands up to my own expectations? Does it stand up to, and what it's meant to do, is it able to achieve what it is meant to do? These are the two standards I would place for success for me personally.
What's giving you a lot of happiness in the recent past?
I think what's giving me happiness right now is the two things that I'm working on. One of them is a film. It's called Dangal, and that's a film that I'm really passionate about. It's a beautiful story which has really moved me and affected me. And the other piece of work that I'm doing is in the area of water. Me and my team of Satyamev Jayate, we are trying to work with this issue of water in Maharashtra and see how we can contribute actually, it started with me and Devendraji meeting one day, and me and my team. You know, when we did Satyamev Jayate, we did that for 4 years. We started in 2012. We were really thrilled and happy to see the kind of response it got. It indicated to us that people are ready for change, they're wanting change, and they're willing to work towards change. Nana over here is here. He himself has been doing that a lot. And in fact, we're supposed to meet in a few days to discuss that.
You've not shied away from speaking your mind out, whether it's been the intolerance issue or any of those things you've always spoken about. Are you finding that we are living now in a very difficult world with one where there's social media, where you're allowed to talk whatever you want, abuse, shout, troll, and on the other side where anything that we speak is under scrutiny?
Well, you see, everything that we speak is under scrutiny, has always been under scrutiny. I don't think that has changed. I think the social media that we speak about is just one more platform. As human beings, we're the same. We're still communicating the same way. But we have to look at the positive side, and we have to try and use it for the positive.
But your intolerance statement was not ignored. Did you think, or do you believe that it was blown out of proportion, or that was not exactly what you had to say?
A more concise answer which I can give you is that certainly what I said was misrepresented. And a lot of the media misrepresented what I said.
And how does family deal with things like these?
Badly. They get badly affected. There's no other way. So my wife gets upset, my mother gets upset, my kids, my sisters and brothers, people who love me obviously get upset that if friends, Neeta, yes.
We were talking about your family. How does that, how do you deal with all the family issues as once you're back? How hands-on dad are you? How involved are you in the whole family?
I have to be honest, I'm not a very hands-on father. But from Monday, I'm planning to be a very hands-on father. No, I promise. It's not a joke. Let me give you a more overview of this. I've always been a person who's been very emotional. I'm a very emotional person. And I'm very close to people who I love, my parents, my family, close friends. I'm very attached emotionally to them. And I always feel that I want to spend more time with my mother. I want to spend more time with my children. I'm constantly fighting that battle of trying to, मैं और वक्त बिताना चाहता हूँ अम्मी के साथ, बच्चों के साथ. लेकिन वो वक्त मुझे मिलता नहीं. और करीबन 27 साल से मैं काम कर रहा हूँ इस इंडस्ट्री में. और करीब 2 साल पहले मुझे ये समझ में आई बात. 25 साल के बाद मुझे ये बात समझ में आई कि एक्चुअली वक्त तो हमेशा था. मैंने चुना कि मुझे ये करना है और ये नहीं करना है. Now I'm trying to change the gear and be more spend more time with the people who I love and I really want to.
शायद ऐसा कोई भी रोल नहीं होगा जो आपने नहीं किया हो. I think the only role you've not played maybe till now is a politician.
नहीं, इसकी कोई ख़ास वजह नहीं है और कोई अच्छी कहानी आएगी जिसमें नेता का रोल करना होगा तो मैं ज़रूर करूँगा, ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है. ऐसी कोई
इसका एक कारण ये है, ये हीरो का काम करते हैं और कोई पिक्चर में नेता हीरो रहता ही नहीं, विलन ही रहता है.
इसको बदलना पड़ेगा, मैं करूँगा.
Last question actually नीता जी भी यहाँ पे हैं. I'm going to ask you and maybe ask her also कि जब वर्ल्ड कप सेमीफाइनल्स जब चल रहे थे और सिमेंस ने इंडिया को वर्ल्ड कप से बाहर कर दिया. सिमेंस इज प्लेइंग फॉर मुंबई टीम IPL. तो आपके मन में
सिमेंस का पत्ता कट.
आपने फोन उठा के नीता जी को फोन तो नहीं किया कि किसी भी तरीके से आप सिमंस को आप टीम में मत रखिएगा?
नहीं, ये तो मैंने नहीं कहा, लेकिन नीता जी को मैंने टेक्स्ट जरूर किया कि कुछ करो. तो नीता जी ने कहा मैं क्या करूं. लेकिन वो बड़ी किस्मत लेके आया था कल यार. हार जीत होते रहती है, बट वी शुड अप्रिशिएट द वर्क आवर टीम हैज डन.
नीता जी, वाज देयर व्हाट वाज गोइंग ऑन इन योर माइंड एट दैट टाइम?
But I think I've been now so involved with sports, and I've learned from the biggest master, Sachin himself, that the game is all about winning and losing. And to win and lose with grace and humility is the most important.
Always a pleasure, Amit. Thank you so much,
Thank you so much.
for
Thank you.
doing this for us.
Thank you.
नमस्कार, मी अतुल कुलकर्णी. या लोकमत महाराष्ट्रीयन ऑफ द इयरचं एक स्वतःचं असं गाणं असावं अशी कल्पना ऋषी दर्डा यांनी मांडली. जो जन्मानी महाराष्ट्रीयन आहे तो महाराष्ट्रीयन आहे, की ज्याची कर्मभूमी महाराष्ट्र आहे तो सुद्धा महाराष्ट्रीयन आहे. तर हाच धागा घेऊन एक गाणं आम्ही तयार केलं, की या गाण्यामध्ये 21 गायकांनी आपला सहभाग नोंदवला. त्यातले बरेच आज या ठिकाणी उपस्थित आहेत आणि जे गाणं आम्ही तयार केलं ते या ठिकाणी आपण पाहूयात.
घोष हृदयात आम्ही महाराष्ट्रीयन, जोश रक्तात आम्ही महाराष्ट्रीयन, देश आमचाही आम्ही महाराष्ट्रीयन, ध्यास जगण्यात आम्ही महाराष्ट्रीयन.
10 देशातून स्वप्ने घेऊन आलो आम्ही, इथेच रुजलो इथेच मोठे झालो आम्ही. विशाल भारत आभाळ आम्हा महाराष्ट्र अंगण,
महाराष्ट्रीयन आम्ही महाराष्ट्रीयन, महाराष्ट्रीयन आम्ही महाराष्ट्रीयन. धाव जरी पोटासाठी, डोळ्यात स्वप्ने मोठी, मुलखात कित्येकांना आहे दिलासरा. गर्दी ही इथली न्यारी, दिसे आईना बिलोरी, प्रतिरूप भासे भारताचे हसरे रुपेरी.
जोजवी इथली माती, दिले मोलाचे साथी,
मिळाली कूस जगण्याला आणि झालं मराठी. कधी घेरता घोर निराशा, तीच करीता पण महाराष्ट्रीयन आम्ही महाराष्ट्रीयन, महाराष्ट्रीयन आम्ही महाराष्ट्रीयन. जीरा 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 जीराजी मुलुख रांगणा लई भारी, जीरा 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 जीराजी जाग विठ्ठल मल्हारी. मराठी गुजराती बातेरडी कानडी, पंजाबी बंगाली तेलगू आसामी, येथलाच जन्म आमचा, येथलेच रहिवासी. इथे बसे जो जो होतो येथला महाराष्ट्री. यात जणू शिवरायांची सह्य भावच्या पाठी. विकासाने फुलले नंदनवन जन्मलो वाढलो बहरलो लहरलो जाणतो मायही पेरतो फुलवतो
सोसतो राबतो कष्ट हे झेलतो मारतो पूजतो बापुनी वंदितो
महाराष्ट्र माझे माहेर आहे.
अजून मला महाराष्ट्राने महाराष्ट्र गौरव हा अवॉर्ड दिला नाही.
आमच्या पोलिसांना घरं मिळतील.